BIRDBRAINZ.
BIRDBRAINZ.
Oh,
BIRDBRAINZ.
hey, did see you there. Sorry, us BIRDBRAINZ are having a confidential meeting. Mind taking a step back?
Joanna, that's how I talk to a fan. We're gonna leave you with a terrible first impression.
Yeah, Valerie, we should introduce ourselves one by one to the fans.
To you.
Yeah, that sounds great.
Hey, I'm Jayden, CEO of BIRDBRAINZ Studios. I work on just about everything, dude. Like, head of all projects, I do the art, I work on the stories, I build the buildings, I fight the bad guys, I make everyone's dinner. I'm basically the Jesus of BIRDBRAINZ. So, I made BIRDBRAINZ because I wanted to create something I'm proud of. And I love my friends.
Aww.
God, I fucking hate that Jayden guy. Anyways, let's get to the heart of the matter. As a co-founder of BIRDBRAINZ, it's my mission to contribute just enough to be worth keeping around. I write, I sing, I'm learning how to code. I'm trying. I'm something of a super driver, getting BIRDBRAINZ from place to place. If you see the bird bus on I-5, expect to see me in the passenger seat. Okay, if you see Cooper or Zeke alone, call 555-426-7483. They tend to wander. We just need to get them home.
Hi, I'm Valerie, the receptionist and social media manager of BIRDBRAINZ. Also the co-animator and background artist of future projects.
Hey, I'm Coop, the most charismatic BIRDBRAIN, fan of Joanna, enemy of Zeke. I put the Cooper in Super Company. Oh, and I did the website.
Hey, I'm Jayden, a BIRDBRAIN, friend of the CEO, and a good kid with a long future ahead of them. I'm head of HR. I love my family.
Hello, everyone. Some call me Zeke. I'm the composer for this so-called company. I know you may have heard some rumors about me, but let me assure you, I am simply a man who likes making beautiful music. However, I am a little bit twisted, so watch out. My music may or may not be haunted. So lights out, buddy.
That's BIRDBRAINZ. Thanks for listening in.
I really didn't want to be here.
We got a lot of stuff in the works, so get riled up.
Like what?
Well, we're happy to officially announce Funny Burger, our cartoon coming to YouTube.
Wow, looks like you need to subscribe to see when that releases.